Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Bank of America ATM. Alright, so to withdraw money from Bank of America ATM, you have to follow some steps. Here I have written down some steps that you can follow to withdraw cash from Bank of America ATM. So here the first step is to take your debit card and go to the nearest location. So once you go to the nearest location of the ATM, what you have to do is insert your debit card in the ATM. So Bank of America ATMs are slow as all ATM card, and you have to wait a few seconds. Then what you have to do is enter the PIN number from your debit card. So you should have set it when you activated the card. So make sure you know the PIN number, and next what you have to do is click on Get Cash. Then choose the amount you want to withdraw. For example, if you want to withdraw $20, $40, or even $100. For custom amounts, you can just click on Keypad. So for example, I want $20. So if I click on $20, the ATM offers you to pick your bills. Then what you have to do is click on I agree, and here, for example, I want $10. And I'm just going to click on that option and press continue. And now here you have the option to receive the receipt, or you can do otherwise as well. So I'm just going to not need the receipt, so you can just click on that option. And here the last step is to take the debit card and cash out of the ATM. So that was quite easy. So those were some steps that you have to follow to withdraw money from Bank of America ATM. I hope you like this video, and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.